Damn, it's a big old smallmouth, bro.
Oh shit! He's dead.
Ah, damn it. No, I should wear longer pants.
Come on, man. Survive. Don't die.
See you later, buddy. Shit. Oh, dang. Dang, he on fire today. He's right there in the middle. Oh, crap. No, you got to focus on the fish. Focus on the fish. Damn. Biggin, bro. Oh, my God. This shit, that's huge. Good shit, dog. Good shit, dog. There you go. Damn, nice.
Wake up!
Bro, he caught another one? Holy shit. Ah, he's fighting. Dang, fish number 4, dog. He's so funny. I'll stay over here. Damn, fish number 4. Yeah, hey, a fish is a fish.
A fish is a fish.
Dang, he's so good at now. He picked it up so fearlessly. All right, now hold on. Now give it a kiss on the head. Damn, that fish number 5. Damn.
Oh man, why is it so loose? That's small ass fish. Yeah. Small boy.
Small boy. Fish number 5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because I just caught one. Oh my God, this is a big one. Woohoo! Yeah, this guy fighting hard. Oh my God. How big are you, baby? Ooh, you are a big one. Holy shit, dog. Oh my God. On the tube. Dude, this is my personal best right here. Dude, this is the biggest I've ever caught. Dude, this is definitely a 3-pounder. Oh my God. You pole's way too far back. Yeah. And them little pumpkin seeds today. Yes. Another one.
That's how Sam was, right?
What do you-
Catch anything when you went?
Nope. Ready, Hugo?
Oh. Where's he going? Just light.
Yes, caught a largemouth on a worm. Awesome. First fish of the day. Oh, damn. Okay. Nice, nice. On the tube. What's that, man? You get up and down, dog. Yeah. He catching crappies today, but he catching the largemouth.
I ain't got no uses too, dude. Up and down.
That was tight. That was tight. I was working that spot for a minute.
Chalilio.
Damn. Okay.
10 inches.
Yeah, just yeah. And the love.
I love. There you go, buddy.